Once you've inserted a table into Google Docs, you can format it to meet your needs. In order to format any of the cells or any of the elements of the table, simply highlight the cells that you want to apply the formatting to, and then you can go under the formatting menu and you can change the background color. That's the simplest and easiest way to start to modify your cells, but you can go well beyond that. You can also take individual cells and you can merge them to create a much more form-like approach to your tables. Again, highlight the cells which you are interested in working with. In this particular case, if you right-click the mouse, you can choose to merge the cells. By merging the cells, we have now changed the look and we have changed the way that the table works. In modifying a table this way, it can suit your needs far more effectively than the standard grid layout. Changing and modifying your tables in Google Docs. It is just that easy. I hope that helped and we answered your question. If we did, a like would be greatly appreciated. Check out our other videos, and if there are questions you have that aren't answered by them, please share those thoughts in YouTube comments and we'll do our best to create a video on that topic in the future. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.